Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Bike Buzz. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting lightweight motorcycles of the year at the 2025 Yamaha XSR 155. This machine has been grabbing attention for its retro modern styling, reliable engineering, and just enough punch to make every ride a thrill. If you're into bikes that look classic but ride like something from the future, this one is for you. Let's get right into it, starting with the design, because this is where Yamaha really hits a home run. From the moment you lay eyes on the new XSR 155, it's clear Yamaha has paid close attention to detail. The front fascia sports a beautifully rounded LED headlamp housed in a brushed metal casing, staying true to its heritage-inspired DNA. It's minimalist, but in a very intentional, stylish way. The fork gaiters and subtle front fender add to that rugged, vintage cafe copyright tracer appeal, without feeling overdone. From the side, the proportions are almost perfect for a modern-day neo-retro bike. The tank is sculpted with gentle curves and features a two-tone paint job that really pops in natural light. Yamaha offers a few color options this year, including a new matte silver with black striping that adds even more charm. The frame is Yamaha's tried and tested Delta box chassis, subtly exposed for that raw mechanical look. The seat is a single-piece unit with a ribbed design, slightly raised at the rear to hint at a cafe copyright tracer profile but still comfortable for daily use. The use of aluminum panels and machine finishes in places like the side covers and foot pegs gives it a refined touch that suggests premium quality. Move toward the back, and the bike maintains its simplicity. The rear LED tail light is compact and minimal, tucked neatly under the rear seat cowl. There's no accessory, no flashy plastic or oversized fenders. It's all lean and clean. The turn indicators are also LED and fairly discreet, matching the overall aesthetic. A small, functional rear mudguard holds the license plate and indicators without looking bulky. Now, beneath all that retro flair lies a heart that's thoroughly modern. The 2025 XSR 155 carries the same 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-valve engine seen in the R15 V4 and Mount 15, and that's a very good thing. This power plant is known for being smooth, responsive, and efficient. It delivers around 19.3 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 14.7 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox, and yes, it comes with an assist and slipper clutch for easier downshifts and reduced clutch fatigue, especially handy for new riders or daily commuters navigating urban traffic. On the road, the XSR 155 feels light and agile, weighing in at around 134 kilograms. That makes it ideal for city rides and nimble lane filtering, but it's also composed enough for longer weekend escapes. The upright riding position means your back won't scream after an hour, and the wide handlebar gives you excellent control, even through twisties. Suspension-wise, it gets upside-down front forks and a monoshock at the rear, providing a solid mix of comfort and sharp handling. The ride feels planted, even when pushing the bike around the corners or over uneven roads. Braking is taken care of by a single disc at the front and another at the rear. While it doesn't feature dual-channel ABS, it does get single-channel ABS as standard, which should be sufficient for most scenarios in this segment. Tires are fat enough for confidence but still economical, with 17-inch wheels fitted with tubeless rubber, perfectly sized for both urban and light touring use. One of the great things about the XSR 155 is its versatility. Whether you're a new rider looking for something stylish and easy to handle or an experienced enthusiast wanting a second bike with flair and fun, this bike fits in nicely. It doesn't try to be overly aggressive or too sappy. It strikes a rare balance. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 model has seen a slight bump due to updated components and new colors, but it still sits competitively. Depending on the region, it's priced roughly between $3,200 and $3,600, making it one of the most accessible bikes in the retro modern segment. And for what you're getting: a proven engine, solid build quality, premium finishes, and eye-catching looks, it's a compelling value. Yamaha also offers a small range of accessories for customization of things like tank pads, engine guards, and different seat styles, so you can make it your own with ease. It's not just a bike, it's a canvas for your personal taste. To wrap it up, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 continues to prove that style, performance, and practicality don't have to come at a high cost or high displacement. It's the kind of bike that brings a smile to your face, whether you're riding it to work or to the mountains. Yamaha has taken the soul of a retro bike and fused it with the brains of a modern machinilla, and the result is a motorcycle that not only looks the part but delivers where it counts. Thanks for watching this review on Global Bike Buzz. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the